Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I am Shay Ruff, and I appreciate you guys for tuning into this channel. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe. Please share it with someone, and I welcome you. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for subscribing and for being here. So today, I'm very excited to share with you guys that you can now make a QR code inside of Canva. So I don't take very long. I jump right into the tutorial, so let's go to it. So this is my Canva screen. And so you can see it's just a regular Canva opening. And so what we're gonna do is go to create a design, and we're gonna do a customized design. I like doing customized because I get to choose the quality of the design. So we're gonna click on customize design. I use 5,000 by 5,000 pixels to create the design. So that way, if it's stretched or whatever the case is, resized, it's always good quality and it's not blurry. Okay, let's get to the good part. So on the left side of your screen, what you want to do is go all the way down, and this is in Canva Pro. I'm not sure if it's on the free one, but inside of Canva Pro, you can click on more and click on, ta-da, QR code. So what you want to do is choose the URL that you're going to use to connect to this code. So I'm going to use myself. I'm going to use my website. And now what it's going to do with that particular URL is generate a code. You need a URL. You need to link this code to a website. So whether it's your personal website, whether it's a link to your LinkedIn profile, to your YouTube profile, to your Instagram, Facebook, no matter what it is, it needs a URL. And the URL is simply this. You see this web address here. You can copy and paste it here, and it will generate a code. So now that it's generated a code completely, now it's here in the middle of the screen. But because I'm such a creative, of course, I want to add some little design to it. So if you want to just, give someone your code like this is good if it's for you. However, for me, I know I'm just a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over into Elements, and I'm going to look for a phone frame. You can see I looked for it before, so it's there. So I type that in. And so let's see the first couple of ones. Let's see this one. Or if you want something similar to an iPhone frame, depending on who you are. This one looks good. So we'll go with this one, and we'll just stretch it out across the page. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring it down because there's some wording that I want to put on top. And I'm going to change the position of this frame and send it backward. So that way I can move my QR code and position it the way that I want. So I have it here. I think that's good. The frame is white, so that's fine. So my favorite color is blue. I'm going to choose a blue background. That's pretty electric and bright. So I'm just going to spread out this QR code just a little bit more so it's good for scanning. Bring down my frame. So this is for my website, and I want to put something like, I don't know, I do graphic design. So I'm just going to type here. And of course, we're going to make this look a lot better than what it looked like. I'm going to stick with the white and blue. So I'm going to change the font colors to white. And I went to the A up top and changed the color. And so what I'm going to do is bring this in just a bit and stretch it out so it can go across the page on the same line. And because I like a little script, I'm probably going to choose a script font. I have tons. And of course, if you've been in Canva, you know they've updated quite a bit. So it's a ton in here. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be very quick So I'm gonna go with this font here, and I'm just gonna change the spacing because it looks weird. So you can highlight your text, click on spacing, which is this icon here, and bring it in just a bit. If you want it to go closer, you go to the left. If you want it wider, go to the right. In this case, I want it wider. So let's see how that turned out. And I'm gonna raise this font off the page. I'm gonna click on Effects and click Lift. And you see how much better that looks? Just lift it a little bit more. So now it's starting to look better to me. So I'm just gonna move over to adding a photo of myself. Let's see which one, or let's use a random photo instead. I have a couple of likes. You can go in photos. Let's choose professional. There's quite a few to choose from here. Let's go with the short haircut. I like the short haircut. So we'll click edit and we will remove the background. Now again, this is Canva Pro. So there may be some items that's not available to those of you who are on the free version. If you haven't gotten Canva Pro, there will be a link in the bio, in this description. Sorry about the bio part. In this description that you can click on to obtain your subscription with Canva. It is $12.99 that I know of right now. So I removed the background. Oh, the key thing about removing the background, you want to make sure that up here it says all changes are saved. If not, then the background will not be removed. So I want to put her, let's put her over in this corner, but what I'm going to do is sit her down just a little more and widen it out. Now I know some of you are like, oh, it's over the code. We can easily move the code, no big deal. And move her over, move her down a little bit. All right, so now we have the person, we have the code still available. Make sure it's aligned a little bit. And then with the frame, now what we can do is go and put more information on here if you like. I like to put the website. I like turning things sideways. That's just my personal preference. Make sure it's on a 90-degree angle. I'm gonna align this to the left and I'm gonna bring it down just a bit in size and spread it out a little bit by using the spacing. So I can leave this here or I can put it on the side by her. And now what I'm gonna do is put her name here. I don't know, let's choose my name. And let's give it some context of a font. Give her a title. I know I'm giving you guys way more than just this code, but I want you to be able to see what you can do inside of Canva. So we're gonna go to text and choose the small one. We're gonna put graphic designer. And we're just gonna bring this under her name. Move this over a little bit. Now it's like a signature card. And because I'm extra and I like texture, I'm gonna go back to elements and type in pattern. And for fun, we're just gonna choose this pattern here. I'm gonna spread it out across the screen. And let's change it to white, of course, because we want to stay within the colors. And what I'm gonna do is change the transparency using this button over here. Bring it all the way down. And can position this to the back so it doesn't overshadow anything else. And now you have a digital post. You can convert this, well, resize it to a business card if you wanted to. You could change it to whatever size you would like to. Save it to your phone, print it, because Canva gives you the option to print. And there you go, guys. This is how you create a QR code inside of Canva. The other stuff that I did was just extra, just to show you the creativity of it. But here it is with the QR code. And if you wanted to animate her as well, let's say you want to use this for a social media post, you can animate the code by clicking this animate button. And let's say you wanted to rise in, you can preview it here by clicking this button. And a 5.0S means that it's 5 seconds long. So it's going to be 5 seconds for it to rise in. So let's just click that real quick. You see how it quickly moved. But if you want the whole post to animate, you can click on animate. Let's click breathe and let's preview it. And as you can see, the background is moving inward. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on creating a QR code / social media post / business card, whatever you desire. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll be sure to respond. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love to have you like this video and share it with a friend. Have a great one, guys.